Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 13th of February 2018. I am going to start today's analysis from Euro USD. As you know that I have supplied the Euro USD bearish signal for today. The entry was 113304 and the target price was 112942, and guys, you can clearly see we have a big drop on Euro USD today, and I congratulate all those subscribers who have taken the sell positions today on Euro USD. They must have booked a very good number of pips. Okay, now let's talk about the second signal of the day, which is New Zealand USD. A bearish signal was supplied from 068358 and 067759 was the target price, and guys, you can see right from the entry we have seen the downward trend. So basically they have moved the market up. It was a deception. So I have come to know about this deception early in the morning, and I have supplied the bearish trend, and guys, you can see how sweetly it has went down. So overall, do not think that whenever the pair is going up it will continue to go up all the time. So be careful. You need to use your experience and knowledge in order to trade forex, and this is how we work. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, I'm going to take you towards the signals report. As I have had a weaker expectation on Euro USD, similarly I was expecting the downward trend on Great Britain Pound USD too, and I have supplied the bearish signal from 129093 and 128361 is the target price. And guys, you can see the big drop is here. The market has taken the U-turn and finally it went near to the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the profits on Great Britain Pound USD by selling this pair. Okay, now let's talk about the USD CHF, which is keeping its strength from a longer period of time, and let's talk about this. I have supplied the bullish signal again from 100607 and 101070 is the target price, and guys, you can see we have a sweet upward trend on USD CHF, and if you have traded USD CHF today in a bullish manner, then you must have banked a very good number of pips. Okay, now let's talk about USD Canadian dollar. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So with a bullish expectation on USD Canadian dollar, 132155 was the entry and 132713 is the target price. And guys, you can see already we have a massive move on USD Canadian dollar into the upward direction, and it has went up to here. So overall, if you have traded USD Canadian dollar right from the entry that I have provided in the morning, then you must have collected the massive number of pips. Okay, now going to talk about Great Britain Pound JPY, another satisfied signal of the day. Great Britain Pound JPY with the bearish expectation from 142812 and 142321 is the target price, and guys, you can see we have a big drop, and you can see the market is just near to the target price, and Great Britain Pound USD has taken a U-turn today. So overall it has went weaker. At last, I'm going to talk about Euro JPY, which has gone down, and I have supplied the bearish signal from 125318 and 124693 is the target price, and you can see already we have a break from the entry and the market is on the way towards the downward momentum. So overall it was a very good day with trading with forex. Okay, now let's talk about the signals. Let's talk about the indicator. Okay, whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and if it starts making the bullish pattern, then you can buy the pair. If the scalper, I'm talking about the white arrow, if the white arrow provides it provides the buy signal in the lower red boundary, then you can trust this one. If it gives the red signal in the lower red boundary, then do not trust this one. Look how sweetly it has went up. Whenever the hourly candle closes above the middle dotted line, then it can go further up, and whenever you can see that the candle is closed below the dotted line, you can expect a further drop, and this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, look at here, the scalper has pointed the sell arrow in the form of red arrow at the overbought levels, and the market has went down as predicted. So guys, overall it was a very good successful day with trading, and hopefully you people must have enjoyed the profits. So if you have made the profits, then please send the screenshot so that I can share with other subscribers, so that everyone can come to know that we are giving a very good work in this market. Okay guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.